One of the main factors in screen printing success is not being afraid to be different. Instead, be afraid of being the same. Yeah, simple sells, and the majority of the work out there is simple 1 to 2 color vector designs. However, since everyone else is already doing that, if you offer your customers something different by using a different process to create different tones and techniques on a shirt, you can set yourself apart. This video on 4-color process and simulated process printing is going to show you how to do just that. With the right art, tools, process, screens, and technique, 4-color process and simulated process complex printing isn't actually that much harder. So let's get started and show you how this all works. Let's start by defining the differences between 4-color process and spot process artwork, and how to choose the best type of art and process for the type of design and garment you'll be printing. The best thing is you've seen both of these designs in everyday life already. The Cmyk color set was developed in the late 1800s and perfected in the early 1900s. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black come together with a key plate of black, thus the K in the Cmyk color set. These transparent inks mix together wet and wet to create over 1 million different colors. But the limitations of 4-color process printing is their opacity. Since they're transparent, they can typically only go on light or white garments. 4-color process inks and 4-color process printing always looks best on white, but can work on pastels. There are options for dark garments, but that's when simulated process comes into the picture. In this video, we'll be using the terminology spot process, as that is the type of color set we're going to be using for our simulated process printing. We'll be focusing on best practices, but remember, just because something is a best practice doesn't mean that you shouldn't try something outside of the box. Just for that reason, we're going to be showing different applications on dark and light garments for both simulated process, spot process, and 4-color process printing. Let's jump into the art and get started with the separations.